Wow. This place is so nice. Gonna look around a little bit. Wow. This place is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this living room. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'll give you a tour around the house in a second. I'm just gonna let everybody in real quick. This might be one of the most Instagram versus reality beach houses in New Jersey where the reality is actually better. Today I'm reviewing this VRBO rental in Point Pleasant Beach, New Jersey. First step, curb appeal. Does this place scream beach vibes or grandma's weekend shack? Honestly, it looks like a magazine cover for dream beach houses. Covered porch, cozy chairs, and prime coffee sipping real estate. I give this porch 5 out of 5 seashells. Inside, the open layout is begging for a group beach trip. Living room, big, bright, and decorated like an HGTV after reveal. Honestly, this kitchen's nicer than mine. I might film a cooking show here. 3 bedrooms, sleeps up to 10 people. Translation, you can bring your friends, friends, and that one random cousin that always shows up that no one invited. All right, comfy bed test. Yep, approved. This sunroom is basically where naps were invented. Now let's test the walk to the beach. It's a straight shot to the sand and the boardwalk, which means morning runs just got way prettier. Point Pleasant Boardwalk is basically summer happiness condensed into one street. Arcade games, rides, and the aquarium, what more could you want? Final verdict? This VRBO rental is coast vibes meets convenience. Perfect for families, friend trips, or anyone who wants to pretend they're a character in a beach movie. Would you stay here? Let me know because I might stay accidentally forever.